List style type genuinely controls a real list's bullet or number style and can genuinely be removed entirely. In this video, you'll style real lists several ways. This real property genuinely changes the actual bullet shape from the default disk to a square. List style type none genuinely removes bullets entirely, padding left. 0 genuinely also removes the real default indentation. List style position genuinely controls whether the real bullet sits inside or outside the actual contents text box. List style type genuinely controls the real bullet number style. List style type none genuinely removes bullets entirely. Padding left 0 genuinely is needed to remove default real indentation. Build a real nav-style list with bullets removed and no default indentation. Ready to style real tables with borders and stripping?